Hello everyone, welcome back to Hookiit. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to crochet this cute and simple flower coaster. This is a quick and beginner friendly project that you can finish in under 10 minutes. So grab your yarn and let's get started. For this project, you will need yarn of your choice. I'm using a 3-ply yarn which I doubled up, a 4mm crochet hook, a darning needle and scissors. So to begin, we are going to start by making a magic ring and then chain up 2. Then we're going to make 15 double crochets into the magic ring. Now to do this, yarn over and insert your hook into the magic ring. Then yarn over again and pull your hook through the ring. Now you'd have 3 loops on your hook. Then yarn over again and pass your hook through the first 2 loops. And then finally, yarn over again and pass your hook through the last 2 loops. That's how you make a double crochet. Now you continue doing this and I'll meet you at the end. Now to close the hole, pull on the end of the yarn tail and then slip stitch to complete the round. To move to row 2, we're going to make 2 chains. Now note that this doesn't count as the first stitch. Now make a double crochet increase, which is 2 double crochet into the same space. We're going to continue making 2 double crochet into each stitch all the way around. At the end of this round, we're going to have 30 stitches. Then make a slip stitch to complete the round and cut the yarn. Or if you're using the same color, you don't have to cut your yarn. Now we're going to start making the petals. To do this, start by attaching the new yarn and then chain one. In the same space, make a single crochet. Now, move to the next space and make a half double crochet. Then, in the next 3 stitches, make a double crochet increase, that is 2 double crochet in the same space. Then, in the next space, make 1 half double crochet. And then finally, make a single crochet. Now, that completes the first petal. To move to the next petal, we're going to repeat the same pattern. Make 1 half double crochet, then 2 double crochet in the next 3 stitches, then in the next space, make 1 half double crochet, then finally make a single crochet. That completes the second petal. Now, I'm going to do this one last time so that you can get a hang of the pattern. Now, move to the next space and make 1 half double crochet. Then in the next 3 stitches, make 2 double crochet. Then in the next space, make 1/2 double crochet, and then finally 1 single crochet to complete the petal. Now you're going to continue this all the way around, and I'll meet you at the end. When you get to the last half double crochet stitch, make a slip stitch to the top of the first single crochet you made at the start of the row. So at the end of this round, you're going to have 5 petals. Now let's move to the next row. Now to move to the next row, move to the next stitch and make a half double crochet. Then in the next space, make a double crochet. Now, in the next 4 stitches, make a double crochet increase, that is 2 double crochet in the same stitch. We're going to be doing this 4 times. Then move to the next space and make a double crochet. When that is done, make a half double crochet in the next space and finally complete the petal by making a slip stitch. Now, I'm going to go over this one more time so that you can get a hang of the pattern. Now, move to the next stitch and make a half double crochet. Then in the next stitch, make a double crochet. Then make 2 double crochets in the next 4 stitches. Then move to the next space and make a double crochet. Then finally, in the next space, make 1/2 double crochet. Now, to complete the petal, make a slip stitch in the next space. So continue with this pattern and I'll meet you at the end of the row. When you get to the end of the row, slip stitch into the last stitch and then cut your yarn. Then weave in your excess yarn. So there you have it. Your cute flower coaster is ready. Now if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more beginner friendly crochet tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe and turn on your post notification so you never miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.